They doubted you. Now make them remember. They told you that you couldn't do it. They laughed when you shared your dreams. They said you weren't smart enough, strong enough, talented enough. And maybe, for a moment, you believed them. But here's the truth. The people who doubt you are not your enemy. They're your fuel. And the best revenge isn't proving them wrong with words. It's proving them wrong with results they can't ignore. Let me ask you something. Why do people doubt you? Is it because they see something broken in you? No. It's because they see something in you that they gave up on in themselves. When someone tells you that you can't make it, what they're really saying is that they couldn't make it. They're projecting their own failure onto you. They don't want to see you win because your success reminds them of their surrender. So they plant seeds of doubt. They disguise it as concern, as advice, as reality checks. But what it really is fear. Fear that you'll become everything they were too afraid to try for. And here's what most people do when they face doubt. They defend themselves. They argue. They explain. They try to convince everyone around them that they're worthy. But that's a trap. Because the moment you start defending your dreams to people who don't believe in you, you've already lost. You've given them power over your mind. You've made their opinion more important than your own vision. That's why the greats never argue. Muhammad Ali didn't convince his critics with debates. He convinced them in the ring. Michael Jordan didn't respond to doubt with speeches. He responded with championships. Oprah didn't waste time explaining herself to people who said she'd never make it. She built an empire while they watched. So stop defending yourself. Start building. Here's the first thing you need to understand. Doubt only hurts you if you let it become your inner voice. Someone can say you'll fail 1,000 times, but the moment you repeat it to yourself, that's when it becomes dangerous. That's when doubt turns into belief, and belief dictates action. If you believe you're not good enough, you'll sabotage yourself before anyone else gets the chance. You'll quit early. You'll take the safe road. You'll settle. So the real battle isn't against the doubters outside. It's against the doubter inside, the one that whispers at 3 in the morning, the one that tells you to quit when things get hard. That's the voice you need to silence. Not with positive affirmations, but with proof, with action, with relentless forward motion even when you don't feel ready. Second, use doubt as a filter, not a weapon. Not everyone who doubts you deserves your anger. Some people are just protecting you from pain because they care. But even then, their fear shouldn't become your ceiling. Listen to their concerns, take what's useful, then move forward anyway. Because doubt is actually a gift. It separates the serious from the dreamers. It filters out the people who talk from the people who do. Most people crumble under doubt because they were never fully committed. But you're different. You're not here to prove everyone right. You're here to prove yourself capable. And that requires you to treat doubt like resistance training. The heavier the weight, the stronger you become. Third, understand this. The sweetest victory is the one nobody saw coming. When you're doubted, you have a choice. You can announce your comeback, post about your journey, tell everyone what you're building. Or you can go silent, disappear into the work, let your progress speak louder than your words ever could. And when you finally emerge, when you finally show the world what you built in the dark, that's when they remember. Not because you screamed, but because you became undeniable. The people who doubted you won't apologize. They'll rewrite history. They'll say they always believed in you. And you know what? Let them. Because your job was never to make them admit they were wrong. Your job was to become so successful that their opinion became irrelevant. Here's the hard truth. Some people will never believe in you. And that's okay. You don't need everyone's faith. You don't need approval. You don't need validation. You need discipline. You need consistency. You need the kind of obsession that makes doubt look silly in hindsight. Because at the end of the day, results crush doubt. Trophies silence critics. Success rewrites the narrative. And the people who doubted you, they won't remember what they said, but they'll remember what you became. So here's what you do next. You stop waiting for permission. You stop looking for believers. You start moving, start building, start failing, start learning, start improving every single day. And one day, maybe years from now, someone's going to tell a story about you, about how everyone doubted you, about how nobody thought you'd make it. And then they'll pause, and they'll say, "But look at them now." That's your mission, not to prove them wrong, but to make them remember. Make them remember the moment they underestimated you. Make them remember what happened when they bet against you. Make them remember that doubt was never your enemy. It was your origin story. So take that doubt, bottle it, use it, and turn it into the greatest comeback they've ever seen. If this hits you, drop a comment and tell me who doubted you. Then hit subscribe, because we're just getting started.